Okay, today's project is we're going to take out on my computer the old 800 watt power supply that's toasted. This is all toasted right here. Then we're putting another 850 watt brand new modular power supply for the computer. And PCI Express cable right here, motherboard cable, M2 hard drive, which is incredibly fast and very, very small. Turn it on. Okay, we shut off the light here. Okay, it's powered up. Okay, we got something. Now I'm going to push the button here. Hey, look at this. We have live action. Yes, sir. Thank you, Lord. Okay, the computer is in action. This thing runs great. And here's my processor. I have 8 cores and 16 threads. Baji reporting live, and computer works perfect.